In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Reddit app on Android. We'll start with the best and safest option, the Google Play Store, and then cover a fallback method using an APK only if the Play Store isn't working for you. I'll explain each step clearly so you can follow along with confidence. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the official app marketplace, which means apps are verified and updates are handled automatically. At the top, tap the search bar and type Reddit. In the results, look for the official Reddit app. You'll recognize it by the familiar orange and white logo and a very high download count. Selecting the legitimate app is important for your security, so avoid anything that looks unofficial or unrelated. Tap Install. Your phone will start downloading the app and you'll see a progress bar. Depending on your connection, this can take a moment. When the installation completes, tap Open to launch Reddit right away. From here, you can explore communities, browse your home feed, post content, and join discussions across a huge range of topics. Because you installed through the Play Store, future updates will roll in automatically, keeping the app secure and stable without any extra work from you. If the Play Store doesn't work on your device or you can't access it, there's an alternative: installing the app via an APK. Only do this if necessary because apps from outside the Play Store can be risky. If you must proceed, download the Reddit APK from a trusted source, such as a well-known APK repository. Be sure you're getting the official, unmodified release and avoid anything labeled as modded. Before you can install it, Android may require you to enable the option to install unknown apps. Go to your device's settings, look for security or privacy, then find Install Unknown Apps. Allow this permission for the app you're using to download or open the file, like your browser or file manager. Next, open your Downloads folder, tap the Reddit APK file, and confirm the prompts to install. When it finishes, tap Open to launch the app. For safety, consider turning that unknown apps permission back off afterward. That's it. Whenever possible, stick with the Play Store for the simplest, safest experience. If you need the APK route, move carefully and use reputable sources. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Reddit up and running on your Android device.